Welcome to Kenzo Garden. If you're dreaming of transforming your front yard into a picture-perfect space, no matter how small, then you're in the right place. Vintage Italian Garden Secrets. How to use old shutters and climbing jasmine. There's something undeniably magical about a vintage Italian garden. It's not just about plants, it's about history, texture, and quiet elegance. Imagine sun-washed walls, weathered wood, and the soft scent of jasmine drifting through warm afternoon air. In today's video, we'll uncover how to recreate that timeless Mediterranean charm using two simple yet powerful elements: old wooden shutters and climbing jasmine. In many traditional homes across Tuscany and the Italian countryside, shutters weren't just decorative, they were practical and beautifully crafted. When repurposed in a garden, old shutters become architectural poetry. Lean them against a stucco wall, transform them into a vertical trellis, or mount them behind a seating area to create depth and texture. The aged paint, chipped edges, and faded hues add instant character. Instead of looking new and polished, they tell a story, and that storytelling is the heart of vintage Italian design. No Italian-inspired garden feels complete without fragrant blooms. Climbing jasmine, especially varieties like Jasmine officinale, offers delicate white flowers and an intoxicating scent that becomes stronger at dusk. Train jasmine to grow over your old shutters to create a soft, romantic contrast between structured wood and flowing greenery. As the vines weave through the slats, they blur the line between architecture and nature, a signature look in historic villas. The secret to achieving that authentic Italian atmosphere is layering. Place your shutters slightly offset from the wall to create shadows and dimension. Add terracotta pots at the base filled with herbs like rosemary or lavender. Let jasmine climb upward while lower plants spill outward. This layered effect mimics the courtyards of classic Mediterranean villas, where nothing feels overly styled, yet everything feels intentional. Sunlight plays a crucial role in bringing this look to life. Jasmine thrives in full sun to partial shade, so position your shutters where the vines can receive at least 6 hours of light daily. A warm, south-facing wall is ideal. The shutters also help guide plant growth, providing support and encouraging vertical movement, perfect for small gardens that need height without taking up floor space. Vintage Italian gardens are never overly manicured. Cracks in the wall, peeling paint, and uneven stone pathways only add to the charm. Don't repaint shutters to perfection, let them age gracefully. Allow jasmine to grow naturally rather than trimming it into strict shapes. This relaxed elegance is what makes the style feel romantic rather than staged. To complete the look, consider adding wrought iron lanterns, a rustic wooden bench, or a simple stone water feature. Soft lighting in the evening will highlight the jasmine blooms and cast beautiful shadows through the shutter slats. The goal is to create a space that feels lived in, serene, and effortlessly beautiful, like a hidden courtyard somewhere in the Italian countryside. With just old shutters and climbing jasmine, you can transform any outdoor corner into a dreamy Italian-inspired retreat. It's not about expensive materials, it's about texture, fragrance, and atmosphere. Vintage Italian garden design teaches us that beauty grows from simplicity, patience, and a love for imperfection. If you enjoyed discovering these garden secrets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which element would you try first, the shutters or the jasmine?